Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Jeep Cherokee Sport. Under the hood we have a 3.2-liter V6 engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in billet metallic silver. It looks awesome. You do have that Jeep badging up front with your chrome accenting on the grille there. You also have your projector style lights right there, and they look fantastic. Over to the side here we do have our Arctic brand tires with our 17-inch rims, and you do have your mirrors hanging out right there. Back here we do have the Jeep badging with the 4x4 and the Sport. We can open it up just right here like this. Lots of room back here, very spacious. You do have some extra storage on the sides, and you can lift this guy up and there is extra storage underneath there, and then underneath that guy is your spare tire as well. We have our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We have our remote start and our panic there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here you do have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks. Handle here, and some storage down here. And it does look awesome in here. The two-tone seats are very comfortable. The cloth is very nice and soft. You do have your controls over your lights right here. So you have your off, on, daytime running lights. And then you do also have your in-cabin lights here. And then you right up here have your high beams and your turning signals. Okay, let's start up here. Key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now right in the center here, it does tell us our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. We do need some gas, but in the center it also tells us our speedometer, the temperature outside, range till empty, and how many kilometers we have, which is 22,000. Not too bad at all. You can switch that around to your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip info, stop-start options, audio, messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. You also have your controls over your windshield wipers right here. And then over in the center you do have your touchscreen display. It looks awesome. So you have your radio, so you have your AM and your FM there, with your media tab if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, SD, or Bluetooth. Phone options here, you have your compass, settings, and more. Sorry, your climate here. And then you also have your heated seats and heated steering wheel right there. You do have your hazard lights there, and then down here we have our volume up and down with the mute, screen off. You have your traction control, stop-start options, back, and your browser there. And then you have your AC, and your circulation, temperature control, power and off, and then your defrosts there. Terrain selector here with a USB, aux cord, and SD card slot there. You have your gear shift here with a electronic parking brake, your cup holders, and your armrest doubles as a storage container, so you have your top and bottom layers, and then a locking glove box just over here as well. Up here we also have our lights, and then we also have our sunglass holder. Let's take a look back here. So open this guy up. We have our handle, control over our windows, another handle here, and some storage down here. It looks fantastic back here as well. Same material as the front, very comfortable. You can fold this guy down. You got an armrest with some cup holders, and you can fold these seats forward as well, just right here, just like that, giving you even more room back here. And there's our 3.2-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2016 Jeep Cherokee Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.